Welcome to New Arrivals. MoKo case for new iPad 9/8/7th General Case 2021/2020/2019. Soft TPU translucent frosted back cover slim shell protective case. Withstand for iPad 10.2-inch, auto wake sleep, black. Special feature lightweight, anti-fingerprint, auto sleep wake, adjustable stand, scratch resistant. Compatibility, designed exclusively for iPad 9th generation 2021/iPad 8th generation 2020/iPad 7th generation 10.2 inches 2019 tablet. Model, A2602, A2603, A2604, A2605, A2270, A2428, A2429, A2430, A2197, A2198, A2200. Note: do not fit other tablet. Access to all features and controls. Note: not fit iPad 9.7 and 2017-2018, A1893 per R1954 per R1822 per R1823. Adjustable angles, strong magnetic connection to create a stable viewing stand for your tablet. 2 angles are provided for satisfying your viewing and typing needs. Avoid any joint pain, and free your hands for other entertainments. Auto wake sleep. Built-in magnetic strip, automatically wakes or puts your tablet to sleep when the lid is opened and closed. Protects and extends battery life. Excellent quality, made of durable PU leather exterior, soft microfiber lining and coverage with soft TPU backshell. This case provides total full body protection against fingerprints, shocks, scratch, and dust. Simple fashion design, slim and lightweight hardback design adds minimal bulk while protecting your precious device. The translucent frosted back cover allows you to see the icon through your favorite color. A variety of colors and designs fashions your life.